If you want a cybersecurity portfolio project that sounds like real business security work, build this an AI vendor risk intake agent. The goal is not to let AI approve vendors. The goal is to take messy vendor requests and turn them into a clean review packet a human can actually use. Vendor risk work gets messy fast. One request is in a ticket, another is in a spreadsheet, a third has a SOC to report a security questionnaire and a vague note from the business owner. If all you build is a chatbot, that does not solve the real workflow. Start with mock inputs that look believable. A vendor name, business owner, data type, access level, criticality, contract status, questionnaire, answers, and evidence links. You do not need production vendor data, a clean sample CSV, a small JSON file, and a few fake Evans nodes are enough for a strong version 1. The first job of the agent is normalization. It should turn messy answers into structured fields. What data the vendor touches, whether customer data is involved, whether they need production access, and what evidence is available. Next, enrich the request with context. Is this vendor supporting a critical system? Is the data sensitive? Is there an existing risk exception? Has the vendor been reviewed before? That context changes the recommendation. A low-risk marketing tool and a production data processor should not get the same review path. Then add explainable flags, missing SOC2 report, customer data involved, admin access requested, and no business owner listed, contract renewal within 30 days. Each flag should show the reason, the source field, and the next action. That is what makes the workflow trustworthy. The output should be a review packet, not a mysterious AI answer. Include a vendor summary, key risks, missing evidence, recommended review tier, and the exact questions a human reviewer should ask next. This is the difference between model hype and useful security automation. What the AI used and what it did not know. Keep the human gate obvious. The agent can recommend low, medium, or high review. It can suggest approval conditions. It can draft the reviewer note. But the final approval still belongs to a human. That boundary makes the project safer and more credible. For version 1, keep the build small. Use 10 to 20 mock vendor requests, 1 context file, 1 rules file, and 1 packet generator. If you want to make it stronger, save every input, every flag, and every generated recommendation. In an interview, do not just say you used AI. Say you built a vendor risk intake workflow that normalized requests, enriched context, applied explainable rules, and generated human review ready packets. That sounds like GRC security operations and automation engineering at the same time. This is the kind of project that helps a beginner stand out because it connects AI to real security process. Mock the inputs, structure the facts, explain the recommendation, keep the human in the loop, show the before and after. If you are finding this content useful, please subscribe, like, and comment. If you are finding this content useful, please subscribe, like, and comment.